And welcome to our Port Migration YouTube channel. If you've just found us, welcome. And if you've watched all our videos, thank you so much for your support and for being a loyal listener. We really appreciate it and we are so glad that we can help. Welcome back to our Port Migration YouTube channel. My name is Joanna Hill. I am a registered migration agent at Port Migration. We are based in Port Melbourne in Melbourne, Australia. We are registered with the Migration Agents Registration Authority to provide assistance and advice for people who are applying for an Australian visa. Today, I'm sharing some information about partner visa evidence. This is part of a series I do where I record a video based on a blog article on our website. Some people like reading our blog articles, other people prefer to listen to them. So in this video, I will run you through the contents of one of our blog articles and the information that's in the article. The blog article is called Partner Visa Evidence. It's a step-by-step guide. The link is in the description. Check out the article and all the other links I mention are also in the blog article on our website. There are so many resources and so much information on our website. Take a look if you haven't yet. And of course, before we continue, please like this post and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have over 900 subscribers currently, and I love that our videos are helping people navigate their partner visa applications. That's the whole purpose of what we do at Port Migration. We're here to make partner visas simple and stress-free for our clients, and to help you and your partner achieve your goal of building a future together in Australia. If you haven't yet, take a look at our other resources. They're all linked in the blog article. Download our free guide to partner visas, book into one of our free partner visa webinars, and if you're ready to move forward and you're looking for assistance with submitting an application, please use the links in the description to book a call. We can chat via phone or video call wherever you are in the world. And of course, if you're separated from your spouse, de facto partner or fiance, we can hold a video call with all three of us and connect to talk to get your application started. Our simple partner visa system is based on more than 9 years of experience assisting couples to apply for Australian partner visas. Wait times are long and navigating bureaucracy is frustrating. We bring our knowledge and expertise as registered migration agents to make the process simple and stress-free for our clients. So book a call if you're ready to get started, and let's take a look at this article on our blog. When you are applying for a partner visa for Australia, providing comprehensive partner visa evidence is crucial to demonstrate the genuineness of your relationship. It's not enough to tell Home Affairs you're in a relationship. You need to prove it. The Department of Home Affairs require proof of your genuine relationship across 4 main categories: financial, social, household, and relationship evidence. In this article, we discuss each of these types of evidence in detail to help you prepare a strong application. We have lots of other resources to help, so make sure you check them out via the links. If you're feeling confused, here are 3 ways that we can help. You can read more about partner visas on our website. You can download our free guide to partner visas, or you could attend one of our Partner Visa Basics webinars to get an overview of the partner visa application process. And you can follow these links to learn more. Key facts about partner visa evidence: comprehensive documentation. Providing detailed evidence across financial, social, household, and relationship categories is essential to demonstrate the genuineness of your relationship. Variety matters. Include diverse types of evidence to create a well-rounded and authentic application. External support. Support from friends and family attesting to your relationship's authenticity can significantly strengthen your application. So let's have a look at financial evidence. Evidence of joint financial commitments is crucial in demonstrating the genuineness and authenticity of your relationship for your partner visa application. Evidence of joint financial commitments can include joint bank account statements showing shared financial responsibilities, such as paying bills or making significant purchases together. Additionally, Providing documents like shared loan agreements, leases, or utility bills can further substantiate your financial interdependence. Organising these documents chronologically and highlighting joint transactions can help present a clear picture of your financial partnership, reinforcing the authenticity of your relationship to the case officer. You can find out more about financial evidence here on our other YouTube videos. So, social evidence. Social evidence is essential to show the integration and recognition of your relationship within your wider social circles. This includes photos of you and your partner together at various events, gatherings with friends and family, travel pictures. Additionally, invitations to social events addressed to both of you, as well as correspondence like greeting cards or emails from friends and family that acknowledge your relationship, can further support your case. Photo evidence is an important part of proving the authenticity of your relationship. You can learn more on YouTube or click the links to purchase our Partner Visa Canva photo book templates to assist with collecting and presenting your photo evidence for the case officer. Providing a variety of evidence helps to establish the social aspect and authenticity of your partnership to the visa authorities. Household evidence. Household evidence is vital, proving that you and your partner share a life together. This includes documents that show joint residence, such as rental agreements or mortgage documents with both names listed. Utility bills like electricity or water addressed to both of you at the same address also help establish shared living arrangements. Additionally, official correspondence such as government letters or joint insurance policies sent to your common address further supports your claim of a shared household. Providing these documents paints a clear picture of your cohabitation and mutual commitment, and there are links to learn more about household evidence on our YouTube channel. Proving the nature of your relationship, de facto or marriage. To prove the nature of your relationship for an Australian partner visa, you must provide evidence that demonstrates either your marriage or de facto status. For married couples, this includes a marriage certificate and photos from the wedding, as well as joint financial accounts and shared household bills. For de facto couples, you need to show a history of living together for at least 12 months, which can include evidence through shared rental agreements, utility bills, and joint financial responsibilities. Additionally, providing personal statements about your relationship and declarations from friends and family helps further substantiate the genuine and ongoing nature of your partnership. You can learn more about statements from family and friends on our YouTube or purchase our relationship statement guide with templates for statements from family and friends. Your relationship statement is one of the most important aspects of your partner visa application. Your relationship statement is your opportunity to tell your story to the decision maker who doesn't know you and will most likely never meet you. You can click the links to learn more about what to say in your relationship statement or purchase our relationship statement guide for templates and checklists. I need help. Collecting evidence to support your genuine relationship can be confusing and overwhelming. At Port Migration, we are registered migration agents with more than 9 years of industry experience and expertise. We're partner visa experts. Since 2015, we have helped countless couples achieve partner visa success. Assisting with collecting evidence and presenting it to Home Affairs is one of the important ways we help our partner visa clients. You can click to learn more or schedule a free call about how we can help you with your application. Then we've got our frequently asked questions at the bottom. What types of financial evidence are required for a partner visa? How can I prove my relationship is genuine? What documents count as household evidence? Do we need to provide evidence of joint travel? How should we organise our evidence for the application? Are supporting statements from family and friends necessary? What social evidence should we include? Can we provide digital copies of our evidence? What is considered commitment evidence? And how much evidence should we provide? I hope you found this video interesting. Our videos about partner visa evidence are the videos that our clients tell us are the most useful of all our YouTube videos, so I hope you found this super useful. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and join the 900 plus other people who are subscribed here. Thanks for listening to this video about our partner visa step-by-step guide article on our blog. Take a look at the blog article. The links are in the description. Reach out and book a call when you're ready to start your application. Have a great day. I hope to see you soon.